Departure American 1665, Mayday, we got an engine, we got a shutdown.
American 1665, Vegas approach, roger.
There you go. And you want a flight plan?
No, the idea is take off over the lake.
Lake Mead, yeah.
I'll keep to the left a bit and we'll go over the Hoover Dam. And then the last bridge if I can.
You got under the Hoover Dam, yeah, okay.
And I'll come back round and I want to land on, I think it'll be 01.
1, yeah.
So the strip will be on the left. The
It will be, yes.
American 1665, combat departure.
Departure American 65. Departure American 1665, 3.65 and 190.
Yeah.
American 1665, Las Vegas departure, radar time check.
American 1665. Departure American 1665,
Really low.
so
It's in
Mayday, we
now.
got an engine, we got a
Yeah,
shutdown.
220.
American 1665, Vegas approach, roger. Information Delta is current in Las Vegas. Wind is calm, altimeter 2979.
2979, and we'll continue on this. Well, we're going to need a heading, but MSA altitude, that's a table.
American 1665, roger. Climb and maintain 5,000 if able.
Yeah, 5,000, we're on level there. And do you have a heading that's good for terrain?
American 1665, turn left, heading 080.
That's 280, American 1665.
American 1665, when able, provide fuel stage in pounds and souls on board.
Yeah, stand by, we'll be back.
No problem. American 1665, can you climb at all?
We can climb, yeah.
American 1665, at your discretion, maintain 6,300.
6,300, American 1665.
American 1665, turn 10 degrees left.
10 degrees left. Right.
American 1665, we can turn you into the airport at your discretion. Just let me know airport is at your 9 o'clock 7 miles.
Yeah, we're just here for a space. We're just going to need to run through our procedures and I'll let you know when we can come in and get back to you with
Thanks, sir.
And Departure American 1665 was sold on board. We have 195 fuel in hours to 5 hours.
American 1665, ready.
And I estimate about 10 minutes to get a procedure done before we can come back into it.
American 1665, ready. American 1665, climb maintain 7,000, enable at your discretion.
Climb maintain 7,665.
American 1665, what engine is that?
American 1665, the right engine is out, number 2.
Thank you. American 1665, just advise the next controller when you can turn back towards the airport. Contact him now, 119.77.
119.77, American 1665. Approach American 1665, Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. We are at 7,000 and we'll advise when we're ready to turn back to Vegas.
Okay, American 1665, thank you. Turn left heading 010.
010, American 1665.
I'm going to keep you close to the airport.
Thank you.
And American 1665, expect runway 26 right.
26 right, American 1665.
Las Vegas Tower, Red Dot 40 responding. How do you copy?
Red Dot 40, Las Vegas Tower, not clear.
Las Vegas Tower, Red Dot 40, what's our ETA?
Red Dot 40 at about 8 to 9 minutes.
Red Dot 40 copies.
American